Okay, now we open the Privet. Now we open the package, check the battery, just make sure. Okay, 1.5 volts, 1.6 volts, looks good. Now, so typically so there's a smaller face and bigger face. Smaller face should go below, I believe. Okay, let's try. Okay, we put it in. Guess a quick way we can have a quick look. Okay, you can see now it began to move. Which is very nice, that's what we want. You can even hear the sound. Okay, so this is how you put the battery now. Turn off the multimeter, so we know this is a new battery. Now we put it back, so there's a cover one, it doesn't matter as long as you put it cover. And then put this back. You may want to use a tweezer just to help it gently put in position to avoid, you can, if you do it right, you shouldn't feel any strong resistance. So see, my two thumbs try to twist it. Okay, now that's the last part. I want to twist it, so because I don't want to cause any potential damage, so I put it under the case. So you can see I hold this and then grip my wrench, 3 notches. I already adjust to match it up. So simple like that. I began to grip and then try to turn it clockwise. See, I'm not an expert of that, but it's working just fine. So you may want to put a little stress. Okay, so this part you may want to tighten it up a little bit so the water doesn't get okay. Now okay, so date is actually right. So it's 2/22. I typically set up the watch a little bit faster, so alrighty, it's good as new. Thanks for watching. Спасибо. 谢谢.